Hello, Long Như Sa. Tao tay cái cherry or cherry season. Tháng nay oh, mày thảo na mày ăn bucket. This is how you pick cherry. A lot of cherry right here. The top one, the one where the sun touch, is actually more sweeter. Those top one is very dark and black. Those one are more better. I'm short, so I have to get this. I got this much so far. This kind right here, they consider this white cherry. White cherry is kind of yellow, orange, and they're less salty. The darker one are more salty. Some of these are very low right here. I tiny, low. Okay. Look, they don't water. They have sprinkler. Sprinkler. It's a lot from so many aisle. Tell Tamtai. You guys see those? That one is so big and I cannot reach. And this one right here, short. Some of them are coming fat. How you call it? It's covered by the lips. Nằm thong trên bùa ở. Nằm thong trên. Cái tờ hăng nó. Cái tờ bên này nhá ồ. The pound kê đòn. 50 cent. 1 pound is $4.50. Ní. So this tree right here, they call white cherry. Can you see it a lot? White cherry is not white. It's actually like light yellow, a little bit light orange. So this tree is white and this one is white also. But if you come over here, hey, look at the baby. They're not ready. And look at the flower. And this one is a red cherry. Can you see it? If you go under here, you will see a lot of red cherry right here hanging. So big. This one is like a twin. You're supposed to try it first. If sweet, then you pick and you buy. If not sweet, don't pick this tree because you have a lot of options to pick. This is how the seed look like. So sweet, so good. My bucket. Cute little bucket for $4.50 a pound. You pick. This area is in Brentwood. They have a lot of different owner, different area, but it's just right here. This location have a lot of different owner, and the navigation tell us to come here. Take a look over here. Take a look up over there, and take a look on my Hello Kitty. And this I light up 2 hours to get this. Look at how black this one is. Super black. So sweet, so flavorful. Okay. So it's super sweet, super flavorful. I'm gonna pick some from this tree. Right here. So you don't even have to stand up. You could just kneel, squash down. Squat down and pick. Oh, look at this. So big. So nice. Look how pretty they are. Make me happy. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to bring your children, come here for fun. They open every day, I think, but I don't know what time. All right, bye-bye.
You guys picked about 4 pounds, and your total is $17.
Okay.
17.
Okay, you keep the change. Thank you so,
Oh, it's so
thank
nice.
you so
Thank
much.
you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
We love when you tag us in your videos.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you.
Mars Creek cherries. All right, guys.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Take
Bye bye.
care. Thank
You
you.
did a lot. Thank you.
Bye bye.